This is Olivio here. I was one of the attendees in the African Farmers magazine, and this is a little video to show some appreciation for the guys at the African Farmers magazine in the person of Motupi and Semi, to say thank you very much for the workshop. It was really helpful. It gave me a lot of insight, and this is just to show a little bit of what I've done since attending the workshop. Well, these are my babies. They're 17 weeks now. We moved them last week. There's 3,000 here, and they used to be here. We haven't removed the bedding, but we've managed to put all of them inside these beautiful cages, and they have been behaving. So just to say really thank you guys, and you should carry on with the work that you're doing. And I must say that the revolution has begun on my side as well. Thank you.